Hey guys, this is Booking Bronco with another Booksy Biz tutorial. So today we are going to be doing something I actually covered previously in the beginning of the channel, episode 10. I did look at Instagram, bio link, and the book now button, but that was a little bit more general. At that time, I wasn't actually able to show you guys exactly what I'm going to show you today, which is where we are going to literally add the book now button. So what is the book now button? If you haven't seen the previous video, the benefit of the book now button is whenever someone uses the book now button inside of Instagram, it's going to take someone directly to your list of services. It's not going to take them to your profile. It's going to take them directly to your list of services where, as long as they have a Booksy account, they'll be able to book directly with you. They don't have to download the app. So that's the benefit. Still need an account, but they don't need the app. That's the whole benefit. It's the same as the direct reservation link. So the same idea, no app, still need an account, straight to the list of services, not to the profile. It's the same as the direct reservation link, but the nice thing about the Book Now button is you're able to do this completely on your own. Generally speaking, in order to get the direct reservation link, you're going to need to get in contact with someone at Booksy, whether it's a support member or something along those lines. So that's kind of the why. Why do you want to add a Book Now button? That's the idea. Someone comes to your profile, and then you're going to see right over here, next to edit profile, share profile, whenever someone comes to your profile, they'll see follow, share, or I think follow message, and then at the end they're going to see that it says book now. So we'll show that at the end. But how are we going to go about doing this? So first thing I want to stress, guys, is you do need to have a professional account. You can see over here it says professional dashboard. The reason is you do need to make sure you have a professional account. How can you be sure? Well, if you have the professional dashboard, you can be sure that you have a professional account. But if that's not there, what's another way you can check? So if you see these three lines at the very top right, you can click on that, and that's going to bring up this tool. And guys, if my screen looks a little bit different, it's because I opened up Instagram on my iPad, not on a phone. So this might look slightly different than what you see on your phone, but all the function is going to function the same. Just might appear slightly different, so keep that in mind. But what I'm going to do down here, you can see right here, this section that says for professionals and then account type and tools. I'm going to go in there. And then you can see that it says the account type is professional. So that's the most reliable way to check that you do have a professional account. But if you do, we're going to come back, and I'll just tell you right now, the Book Now button is an action button. So I'm going to go to edit profile here. I just clicked on edit profile, and I'm going to scroll down until you come to contact options. I'm not clicking on action buttons. We are adding an action button. A Book Now button is a type of action button, but it's not very intuitive. We're not going to go to the action buttons menu. We're going to go to contact options, the one right above the action buttons menu. So I went to contact options. Let me make that clear, guys. People mess that up all the time. I'm just going to show you, if you click on the action buttons menu, it's just going to take you here to this page that says select and order food, and it never works that way. You have to go to this one that says contact options right above it. So I just clicked on contact options, and then at the very bottom, you see that it says add an action button. So let's go there. And now you're going to see it's a bunch of different companies. We don't have to go down very far to find Booksy. And now this is just going to open up a page that is going to allow you to log into your Booksy account. So all you have to do is select the country that your account is assigned to and then sign in. So let me get signed in here real quick, guys. Okay, guys, so all I did was select the country, put in the email, and put in the password, all for my Booksy account. So I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. You're going to see that you want to confirm that you are connecting to Instagram. This is connecting your Booksy account with your Instagram account. So we're just going to hit continue, and it's going to load. For this, you don't need to adjust anything, guys. So don't adjust anything here in terms of the settings. Just hit continue. And now it's going to say connecting Booksy. I'll just let you know, this usually does take a minute. So don't rush it. Give it a minute. It will sometimes add it and still say it's connecting. So just give it a minute. I'm going to let it spin here, and then we'll come back. All right, guys, so I let that spin for a little bit, and then it just bumped me back automatically here to my main page. And then what do you see here on the right side? It is the Book Now button, which is exactly what we wanted to find. So now when people come to your profile, they're just going to come and see, I think it's follow, message, and then this Book Now button is going to be front and center. Let's just go ahead and click it to test it. this is just going to pull up your list of services. Keep that in mind. It's not going to open up the whole profile. So boom, that's perfect. That's exactly what we wanted to do. So that's going to be everything for today, guys. Like I said, if the format looks slightly different, this was on my iPad. So if you're operating on your phone, it's going to look a little bit different, but the idea is all the same. Everything is going to function the exact same way. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. That does help me. If you're going to subscribe to Booksy Biz, you can use my referral link down below to get 50% off your first 2 months. But besides that, as always, appreciate your time, and I'll see you on the next one.